Good morning to everyone. I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher at Suraj School, Nayangarh. Dear student, today we will discuss about the topic power of lens. Dear student, power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of focal length of lens. Power is equal to 1 by focal length, और ये फोकल लेंथ है हमारे पास, ये मीटर के अंदर होना चाहिए. सो P इज इक्वल टू 1 by F. SI यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज डायरेक्टर. पावर का जो SI यूनिट होता है हमारे पास वो डायरेक्टर होता है, उसको हम कैपिटल D से डिनोट करेंगे. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, पावर ऑफ लेंस इज डिफाइंड एज द reciprocal of the focal of the lens. Power is equal to 1 by focal length, so P is equal to 1 by F, और SI unit is equal to diopter. Dear student, now the question arises that define one diopter. So power of lens is said to be focal length of lens is when 1 meter, then power is said to be 1 diopter. अगर कोई भी हमारे पास एक लेंस है, अगर उसका फोकल लेंथ है वो हमारे पास 1 मीटर है, तो उसका पावर हमारे पास क्या कहलाएगा? 1 डायोप्टर. सो P इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई F, और F इज इन मीटर, सो P इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 1 मीटर, सो P इज इक्वल टू 1 डायोप्टर. It will be positive, it will be negative, it is depend upon the nature of lens, either it is convex or concave. So if focal length of a lens is minus 20 centimeter, find power of lens. And what kind of lens it behave? We have a lens whose focal length is minus 20 centimeter. We have to calculate that's power and that's nature, either it is convex or concave. So focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter, so power is equal to 1 by F into M. So P is equal to 1 by minus 20, मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए अपॉन 100, so P is equal to minus 5 diopter. Minus sign indicates that the lens will be the concave, and the plus sign indicates that the lens will be the convex. Now combination of power of lens. If A and B are two lenses kept in contact, having focal length 20 centimeter and 50 centimeter, find power of combination. Find power of combination. So F1 is equal to 20 centimeter, या FA is equal to 20 centimeter, FB is equal to 50 centimeter. So PA is equal to 1 by FA and PB is equal to 1 by FB. So PA is equal to 1 by 20 by 100. So PB is equal to 1 by 50 by 100. So PA is equal to 5 diopter and PB is equal to 2 diopter. Power of combination is equal to PA plus PB, that is equal to 5 plus 2, that is equal to the 7 diopter. That is the power of the combination of the lens. Power of the combination of the lens. One more numerical. If A and B are two lenses having focal length 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. If B is the concave lens, find the power of combination and what kind of lens it behave after combination. So f of A is equal to 20 centimeter, f of B is equal to 10 centimeter. Now if B is the concave, then that is equal to minus 10 centimeter. So PA is equal to 1 by FA, PB is equal to 1 by FB. So PA is equal to 1 by 20 by 100 and PB is equal to minus 1 by 10 by 100. So PA is equal to 5 diopter and PB is equal to minus 10 diopter. So P is equal to P of A plus P of B. 5 plus minus 10 minus 5 diopter. Minus sign indicate that the lens behave as the concave lens after the combination. Dear student, one more thing is here. Power of a lens is the measurement degree of the divergence and the convergence. Power is a measure of degree of convergence and divergent. Dear student, less will be focal length, more will be rays divert. More will be focal length, less will be rays divert, और बोल सकते हैं less will be the rays bent. Power is the measurement of the degree of the convergence and the divergence. Less will be the focal length, more will be the bent, and more will be the focal length, less will be the bent. Thank you everyone.